Alright, so we're here now at Six World here in New Correlia, Davao del Norte. This is our birthday adventure. So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please do hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell para updated sa marami pang videos. So, tatry natin yung Six World. Ano yung mga adventures nila sa loob. So, it's a water park, resort, and hotel. Let's go! Register first. I have my secretary here. So since it's our birthday, we have 50% discount. Thank you, Six World.
Happy birthday, Jel and Leia!
Yay!
Come on, let's go, guys!
So yung nasa loob na ng Six World, meron silang for kids na pool. Of course naman. For the kids to enjoy. Ayan. So guys, hanap muna tayo ng cottage before we go explore the Six World.
We'll pick the best cottage ever.
Yes, because it's for free na. Kasama na siya sa inclusion when you pay for the entrance fee. We'll try to explore all of that later. Hanap muna kami ng cottage. So this is the wave pool. Can't wait to try. Order muna kami ng foods. Whoa! There's a lot of foods here. Order. May pa-milk tea pa sila. Malinis. Ooh, so many slides. Can't wait to try. Let's go up muna. The kids will enjoy ang daming slides. We can enjoy here. So, hindi na masyadong malayo yung travel natin. So, sa Six World, galing sa city proper ng Tagum. So, mga 15 to 20 minutes travel lang. Ayan, kukuha kami ng salbabida muna. Kasi nagkakaubusan na. Malapit na kasi yung schedule ng wave. So yun po, yung wave pool nila schedule yung yung wave, kaya paunahan ng makakuha ng ng salbabida. Kakaubusan na eh. Buti na lang may assistant tayo dito. May-ari ng wave pool. Nguha daan. Bago magbihis. Mas maganda yan, no? Pang-apat.
na bet.
Explore more here sa Six World. So ayan, ganito po yung nangyayari pag tapos na yung schedule ng waves. So, yung mga salbabida, iniiwan na agad-agad. Nawala na sila. Pero pag umandar ulit yung wave, agawan na naman ng salbabida.